So welcome back to day 5 of September, and today I have someone very special here with me. So this is Anita. She lives upstairs and she came down today to me saying that, you know, she has her freshers today and she wanted me to do her makeup. So I thought, you know what? I made her sit down in front of the camera and I was like, I'm gonna record myself doing your makeup, and this is what we ended up getting. Did you like what we did? Do you like the makeup?
Yes.
Oh my god, she's so shy. Like you're louder than this. I've heard your voice, but she's being so shy right now. She's like, yes, I liked it. No one can hear you if you speak that low. But yeah, she wanted like a dark, bold lip because she's wearing a skirt which is very similar to her lip color, and this is what we ended up. I hope you actually genuinely liked it.
Yeah,
you did?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So in case you guys want to see how we did this, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start by moisturizing her face, and I'm going to use the Clinique Moisture Surge first. I think she has like normal to dry skin with a little acne on her forehead now. Now I'm just gonna prep her lips using a lip balm. We are going to use a matte lipstick, so I want her lips to be absolutely soft. So now her moisturizer is completely settled into her skin, so I'm going to start with the foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control. So I'm mixing two colors. I'm mixing Mahogany and Golden Honey to get her skin color. One is a little too dark and the other is a little too light, so I thought a mixture of both would be perfect for her. I'm trying not to give you like a full coverage because I still want the skin to look like skin. So we are done with the foundation. Now I'm going to move in and apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown concealer in Honey. Just taking a little bit of it, I'm going to apply underneath her eyes just to brighten up that area. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD powder and use that to set the concealer. So now let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to do her eyebrows first. I'm going to use the Benefit Browsing. She has really nice and thick eyebrows. You never do your eyebrows, do you? Have you ever done it?
No.
Good. They have really nice thick eyebrows. So I'm just going to define the edges. Now for her eyes, I'm going to take the NYX Metal Eyeshadow Palette and take this color and apply it all over her eyes. And take the shade from the Faces Rose palette. Okay, so don't be scared, close your eyes. Now I'm going to use one of my new favorite mascaras. It's from MAC. This is their Up For Everything mascara. And then I'm going to take this blush from Faces. It's called Perfect Cinnamon. And I'm going to apply it onto her cheeks. I'm going to take a flat kabuki brush and blend the blush so that it looks seamless. For her eye, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome. I love this. I'm going to apply it onto the high points of her cheeks. We are almost done. I just need to apply lip color on her. She wanted something maroon on her lips. Do you think it'd be too dark if we apply this? Do you want to try it? If not, we can use some other color. Because she's wearing this beautiful maroon skirt, she wanted to match. So this is Carnivorous by MAC. I think it's the perfect maroon lipstick, and we're done with that. And now I'm just going to set her face using some Fix Plus. Just let that dry. that's it. I actually really like the way it looks. You look so cute. And I love that she wanted to go for like a maroon lip. So now we're gonna fix her hair, and that's it. Do you want to turn around and give them like a look? Yeah, that's it. So that's it. This is the finished look. I had so much fun doing your makeup, Anita, and I hope we do this again soon. Come down over anytime.
Yeah.
And enjoy your freshers.
Yes,
let me know.
I will enjoy.
Yeah, let me know how it went. We keep bumping into each other in the lift, and she's like the sweetest girl ever. And that's it for September day 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.